justmyideas.com. So it's about an hour before we're getting ready to shoot the drone out here. I just wanted to show you the location. We're going to safely be flying it back here over this field. No homes, no people, nothing around. And we'll be able to take the drone up. It's a DJI Phantom Pro 3. And we have about a 2-pound Roman candle that we're attaching to one of the legs. And we're going to bring that back out here. I'm just checking out the area, making sure no events are going on, no people are out here, and that the area is ready to go. So stay tuned.
Test flight. Ballistic rocket drone New Year's celebration.